Okay. Good morning, everyone. Hello. How are you? I think you all are fine. So now today we start our English grammar. Okay. In previous class we will discuss English reader. Now we start our English grammar chapter number 1, that is determiners. Okay. So our first chapter is determiners. So everyone note down this chapter in grammar separate notebook, okay, fair notebook. Now let's start our topic determiners. What are determiners? The exact meaning of determiners means what we determine, okay. Determiners are words which specify or identify noun in some way, okay. Determiners are, what is the definition of determiners? You all write. Determiners are words which identify or specify a noun in some way. Now this is the definition of determiners. This is the meaning of determiners, okay. Now listen, determiners are what? These are helpful for cloze test also. This is helpful for cloze test also. Errors, omissions. This is helpful for competitive exam also, because this is the root of grammar. Determiners are what? This is the root of grammar. We can call determiners are the root of grammar. Complete grammar. Most probably complete grammar depends on the determiners, because this chapter covers all things, okay. So definition is what? Determiners are words which identify or specify a noun in some way, okay. Means this determiners specify or identify a noun, okay. Like for it, and more meaning is it clarify noun, it clarifies the noun, okay. Now see the example how determiners are helpful. Like this pen, some water, a chair, a table, two students. So these are the some examples how we identify the determiners. See this some, a, two. What are this? What were these? These all are the determiners, okay. But remember one thing, these all are the determiners, but these are the noun. So what is the meaning? These determiners identify this noun, okay. These determiners identify this noun, like this water. So this identifies the this pen. So this identifies the pen. Some water, kuch pani means this some identifies the water. Some किसके बारे में बता रहा है? Some हमें water के बारे में बता रहा है, okay. Now a chair. So I identifies. I is the article. Article is also a part of the determiners that we will discuss in next topic. So this a determiner is identify the chair, table identify the table, and these this number of students means this 2 identifies the students. So this 2 is also a determiner. Okay. So these are the this is the exact meaning of it. Clarify noun. Okay. So this is the exact meaning of determiners. Okay. So now which determine noun, more meaning you write which determine noun. Okay. So this is the exact meaning of noun. This is the exact meaning of determiners. Okay. So now next is, this is the all about the brief description means this is the little bit explanation of the determiners. Determine noun. Okay. Which determines the noun, which explains the noun. Okay. So this determiners all about depends on the noun. Okay. So this is all about the meaning of determiners. So you all noted down this in your notebook and write in proper way, proper manner. Okay. Now next is what? Now kinds of determiners. Kinds of determiners. There are 6 kinds of determiners. How many? 6 kinds. Okay. Now what you all do? You all write in table form, means this chart form. Okay. Make a separate chart like this way. So let's start the kinds of determiners. So first kind is what? First is what? First is the main article. Main determiner is article. First part is article. Article consists a, and, the, and one more is cross. Okay. One more article is cross. Okay. Second is demonstrative. Demonstrative. Second is what? Demonstrative. This consists this, that, these, those. Okay. And next is, third is our possessive. Possessive. This consists my, our, your, his, her, etc. Okay. Now fourth one is what? Fourth is our distributive. Distributives. Fourth is our distributive. Each, every, either, neither. Okay. Now fifth and sixth I write down downside. So you all write from here. Your fifth one is quantifiers. quantifiers. This consists some, many, much, some, many, much, several, etc. And our last one is sixth one is interrogative. Okay, in this which, whose, what, etc. Okay, so these are the 6 kinds of determiners. I think from chart everyone understand clearly. So what you all do, this write down in notebook, means in chart form only. Now let's start our topic. First is article. What are articles? Okay, articles are what? Articles are also placed before and noun. Articles are also placed before a noun. If there is no noun, if there is adjective before noun, then also we put article. Means article are also useful for us. Means article we use before noun, and if there is adjective in place of noun, then also we use article before adjective. So this is the article. Now articles are of 2 kinds. One is definite and another one is indefinite. One is definite and another one is, this we will discuss separately. This topic we will discuss separately. So article are of 2 kinds. One is definite and another one is indefinite. Okay. Now next is our demonstrative. What is demonstrative? Now we understand the meaning of determiners, that which point out something. किसी चीज को डिटरमाइन करना, निर्धारित करना. ओके, डिटरमाइन करना मीन्स उसको बताना, पॉइंट आउट करना. सेम वे demonstratives are what? Demonstratives are what? Demonstrative also point out something. Okay, like this is my marker. So this we use now. So this is my marker, means I pointed out the marker. So when we point out something, that is called demonstrative. And when we point out something, we use mostly this, that, these, those. Means this, that, these, those point out something, means point out the noun. So this is called demonstrative. Okay. Now first one is article, second one is demonstrative, and another one, third one is possessive. What is possessive? Possessive is what? Possessive shows possession. Okay. Possession means like when we talk about ourselves, about herself, about him, about her, okay, about myself. When we talk about, in Hindi we can call hak, means किसी भी चीज का हक जताना. Okay, in Hindi we can call hak jatana. So what is possessive? Possessive means when we talk about the possession, our own possession, when we talk about the him, when we talk about her, so this is called possessive determiners. Okay, so in possessive determiners, like we use my, our, your, his, her, etc. Okay, so when we talk about our possession, so this is called the possessive determiners. Now next one is, fourth one is distributive. Fourth one is what? Distributive. Okay. Now distributive word से ही हमें समझ जाना चाहिए कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. किसी भी चीज को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना. ओके, when we talk about the distribution, when we talk about the distribution. Okay, So when we talk about the distribution, so what we use each, every, either, neither. Now distributive मतलब distribute करना, okay, बांटना, distribute करना, okay. So this is called the distributive determinants, okay. Now next, our fifth one is quantifiers. Fifth one is what? Quantifiers. When we talk about the quantity, like some water, little milk, much water, much ink, several students, okay, much sugar, many people. So when we talk about the quantity, when we talk about the numbers, when we talk about like 2 students, 3 students in a class, 2 students sitting in a class, some water put in this pot, some water put in this bucket. So these all are the when we talk about the quantity, okay, when we talk about the quantity of a thing, when we talk about the quantity of a noun, okay, like some water, several people, these all topics we discuss separately in another class, okay. First of all, I give you introduction about the determiners, okay. So this all we discuss in next class. So I think quantifiers you all know, which tell us about the quantity of a noun. Quantity of noun means हमको किसी भी चीज की क्वांटिटी बताता है, that is called the determiners. No, sorry, quantifiers, okay. Now our another one topic is interrogative. I think everyone knows what is interrogative, because this is common part, or this comes almost in every topic. So what is interrogative? Interrogative, we always know about the questions related, okay. Interrogative is related to the questionnaires. When we ask any question from any student, so that is called the interrogative, okay. Now interrogative, in interrogative we use question mark also, and interrogative consists like we start any question which, whose, what, etc. means जब भी हम किसी क्वेश्चन के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हम इंटरोगेटिव डिटर्मिनर्स को यूज करते हैं. When we talk about the any type of question, then we discuss about the interrogative. Clear? Now, like what is your name? What is your name? So this is interrogative. Where do you live? Where do you live? So this is also question. So these are the interrogatives in which we ask a question, and this always ends from the question mark, okay. So these are the parts of determiners, 6 parts of determiners, 6 kinds of determiners. First is article, in which we consist a, an, the, and one more is our omission of article, that is cross article. Second one is demonstrative, that is this, that, these, those. Again I explain, which point out something, किसी भी चीज को point out करना is known as demonstrative. Next is possessive. Possessive, my, our, your, his, her, etc. which shows the possession, okay, which shows the possession. Now fourth one is what? Distributive, which when we distribute something, like distribute these apples to each student, okay, and distribute these apples to every student. So what we do? Distributive. So give this pen to every student, okay. Like suppose I give you example, this is a pen and I tell some students that they give this pen to every student, means these pen to every students. तो क्या हुआ? वो distribute कर रहा है, तो every आया. Now give these pen to each students. So what each we mostly use with 2 people, okay. Each most probably we use with 2 people, okay. give this to each students, okay, 2 people, and every we use with more than 2 people, okay, more than 2 persons, okay. Either we use in positive case and neither we use in negative case, clear. So this is distributives, okay. Next one is our quantifiers, that we talk about quantifiers also before, that which shows the quantity, which tell us about the quantity of a, like in measurement, like quantity, many people, several persons, okay. So this is this tell about the quantity of a product or quantity of a noun, clear. An interrogative, we all know about the interrogative. This is known about, this tell us about the questions. When we ask questions from students, when we ask questions from anyone, so that is called interrogative. So in interrogative we can say which, whose, what, etc. like where, whose. So these all are the interrogative. So this is the structure of the determiners. I think everyone understand easily this structure of the determiners, okay. So this is our basic introduction about the determiners. So you all noted down this in fair notebook, okay, and make same way. This table, this chart you make same way in your notebook. Is that clear? Okay. So you all make this chart in your notebook. So this is all about the parts of determinants. Now in next class we discuss one by one parts of the determiners. Okay. So thank you. Today's class is over here and we meet in next class with the kinds of determiners. Thank you.